Welcome guys. And today I'm going to show you how you can add privileges to lords in Europa Universalis. So what we'll need to do is basically go to the top left corner and click on the government. And right here you will see estates. And the first one is the crown, but we need the second one for the lords. And right here, if you click on this new button, you'll be able to add estate privilege. So click on that, and here you will be able to choose from these variants. As you can see right here for the effects, you can control that, and that's pretty much it. So for now, I will need to add primacy of nobility. I will just click on that, click OK, and that's how you add uh, privilege. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.